be going in and showing you what type of product that I use for my face. I'm using the Mattifying 12 Hour Shine Control Primer, and I'm just going to be putting it where my glossy areas are. I got some on my cheeks, and I'm going to go in and put a little bit. I don't put that much on there because it just do its job. So it's very, very smooth, and it's a very, very smooth type of primer. It's minty too. I love minty type of primers. Studio Fix. This is in the shade A91. I don't know how to read this stuff, guys. Like, I'm new to this, but I don't use that much because I like my stuff to be like super natural, and I don't like that much stuff on my face. So I'm gonna just dot my face all up. I don't really put anything on my forehead, but I'll probably put a little bit. I kind of just feel like once you like rub it in, it just don't do the job. So I like to go in and pat this on very, very lightly. I like to go in and use my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to put this underneath my eyelid. Just a little bit, not that much. And then I like to put some, I usually just stop like right here underneath the eye, where my eyes stop right here. And I just blend that all the way right there. I usually just go in and pat it on, because if you smear it on, it's gonna not look right. So I'm gonna go in and pat this stuff on, because sometimes, like, I kind of just feel like if you don't pat it enough, you can still see the spots into the into your face. So I like to go in and pat it on there. See, I stop like right here on my eye. I don't go all the way up because it just makes it look like it's wide, and I don't want my eyes to look like they're wide. So I like to just go in and stop right there where my cheekbone is. And yes, I still use the same brush to go in and do everything to my face, because I kind of just feel like if you're switching up on your sponges and everything, it's just a waste of time. So I like to go in and use the same sponge, because it don't make any sense to just keep on switching out. It's not gonna make a difference to where, you know, you just switching them out. It's just a waste of time. And oh yeah, I did not soak my sponge, but it's okay. It's still gonna turn out right. So I'm gonna just stick with this, but I would prefer you go in and wet your sponge just a little bit. Don't let it get damp though. So next I'm gonna go in and use my translucent powder, and this is the Laura Mercier setting powder, and I like to go in and just put a little tiny bit. I don't want it to be that much because it just don't look right. It does not. It just looks like I'll be scaring you guys, and I don't want to scare y'all just by putting all this stuff on my face. I want it to be natural, and I only just put it underneath my eyes. I don't put it all around, because I kind of just, I feel like I'll be looking like a ghost or something if I just put all of this stuff on. I'm gonna go in and use my Rihanna, what is this? My Rihanna. So this is one of their contour sticks, and this is in a shade Truffle, and I'm just gonna put this underneath my cheekbones, and I like to put it like on my nose area just a little bit. I don't want to do that much. I use the same sponge. This time I'm just gonna pat this on 3 times and go up on the nose. And I'm just gonna put 2 swats on my lip line. I guess you can call it that. I tried on this blush at Ultra, and it was so cute, and it was MAC. Love MAC, but they didn't have any more, and they ran out. It was a really pretty color that the lady tried on my face, and I was like, I really want this color. And when she got done with my face, she was like, it's sold out. And I'm like, well, why would you put it on my face? I wanted that. But I mean, I still ordered it, so it's coming. And I'm very anxious to put that on. It's a really pretty dope color, and I really wanted to try that out. But I can't wait till it come in the mail. It's a really dope color until she's like, it's all out. Somebody just took the last one. I was like, but I'm going to be going in and letting this sit on my face. I really want to see if I want to put some down here, but I don't want to make it look scary, like my chin going outwards. Like, I want to keep it smooth and pretty, like nothing more, nothing less. So I'll probably just leave it like this. I'll probably put some of this Warrior on underneath my face and probably put a lighter color on. I don't want to try anything dark because I don't want to mess it up. So I want to just stick with something that is like my skin complexion. Once you get to trying on stuff, you just kind of feel like, dang, I can't take it off. This is something that I do not want to do. So I want to stick with something that is more of a natural type of tone. So I'm putting my bronzer on, and I think this is called bronzer. I don't know what this is called. I'm just getting into the makeup, whatever type of thing. But I'm putting my NARS Casino on, and I want to just put a little bit on my face because I didn't get a chance to do that. I'm just letting it sit on my face. But let's just go in and put it on anyway. So, and I want to just play around with the whole big I don't want to put too much on, like I just told you guys before, because I kind of just feel like I don't want all of that makeup on. I just want to stick with the natural and not with the full, okay? So we're gonna go in and just continue to do this. I am so excited that I just put the powder on before I put this like on, like, if you guys get what I mean, because it kind of just makes it stand out more. That's what I kind of think. What do you guys think? I don't know if you guys can see that because I'm too up close by the light, but I kind of just think that it just makes it look more standing out. No, I do not put setting lotion on my face. I kind of just feel like once my face settle down with the makeup, it's gonna already like set and everything. Plus my face is like greasy anyway, so it kind of just sets itself. So I don't put that much. Now I usually just pat this on. I don't go in and smear it on, because if you smear it on, it's not gonna look right. It's just gonna look a total plum mess, and that's just not what we're going for. We're going for that soft type of look, okay? We're not trying to put that much makeup on. I want to do like a softened pink or something on my face. I wish I had that blush. Okay, so I'll probably go in and use my satin lipstick, and this is in the Bad and Burr, and I think this is one of their matte lipsticks. kind of think it is, but this is so freaking cute. I really love this color. It just makes your whole makeup stand out, especially with this color right here. And you got your pumped up lips. I just think that it just makes it stand out more. Just makes the whole lipstick stand out. And I kind of just feel like that's just something that I was really going for on this look. I don't even want to smile, guys. So I'm gonna put my Mo's on my face and I'll be right back because we gotta still do this finish look. Now with me putting the powder and everything under the eye, I like to just go in and pat it on there. I don't like to swipe it because if you swipe it, you're gonna just remove the powder and it wouldn't be a point of you putting the powder on your face. So I kind of just feel like just patting it on to your face and it just sits more on your face, and that's just something I do. But I'm not gonna mess with it because I already patted it on. So I kind of just think that this is the finished look of my makeup. And I was gonna put like dark contour stick on my top of my forehead, but I'm like, no. And what do you guys think? This is the finished look. Let me put my earrings on. This is probably what I'm gonna wear. All gold, okay? Because this is what we are, gold. This is the finished look, guys, of my makeup, but I'm also going to be showing you guys how I style my hair. I probably don't even do too much to my mold hairstyle. I'm not going to do too much to this. I probably just comb it out just a little bit because I don't want to comb out the style that I have. Probably just leave it like this. Wear it like this, like if I'm going to the grocery store or something like that. I don't really do too much. Like I don't go nowhere. I'm in the house. I'm a homebody, so I like to just keep myself up. I'm walking out the house looking any type of way. That's just something that we should not do. I like to keep myself up. And yeah, this is the finished look of this. If I had something to put right here, I probably would just, I'll be right back. Yes, what I was saying, I forgot. But this is the finished look, guys. Very tight, molded in the bag. That's how good this foam and lotion is. Like it's super duper tight. Like once you wrap your hair with your little wrapping strips, it gets the job done. It's super duper tight. Now, I did not pronounce this in the beginning of the video. I would prefer you to go in and wet your hair if you want to do the molding on your hair. So I would prefer that. Wrap your hair. But I did show you guys all the products that I use to wrap my hair. I don't use much because I like my, hair very, I'm not gonna say dry, but I don't like all that product on my head. But no gel. I do not like gel on my hair. I feel like that is not healthy for hair anyway.